Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view how how many fresh sprouts your team has in Heartopia. So in your team. So personally for me, I own 2,500 of the fresh sprouts. But let's see how much my team has all together. So select the beaver icon here and select your team, and it says 9,300. So our team has currently 9,300. Hopefully there's more today, but I'm not sure if my team is going to play or going to add more to the currency. But currently we have 9,300 in total, and I have 2,500. So just do your daily requests, everyone. Do it every single day before the building challenge actually starts. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.